Today's medical-centric topic is alternate day fasting, benefits, risks, and how to start. Alternate day fasting, ADF, is exactly what it sounds like. You eat normally one day and fast the next. It's a type of intermittent fasting that's gained popularity for its potential to help with weight loss, improve health markers, and simplify eating habits. But is it right for you? Let's break it down. What is alternate day fasting? In ADF, you alternate between fasting days, either no food at all or about 500 calories, around 20 to 25% of your normal intake. Feast days, eating normally without specific calorie restriction. Some follow a strict zero-calorie fast on fasting days, while others opt for a modified version that allows for a small meal. Benefits of alternate day fasting. 1. Weight loss. ADF helps create a calorie deficit without counting every bite. Many people naturally eat less overall, leading to steady weight loss. 2. Improves blood sugar control. Studies suggest ADF may improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels, especially in people with prediabetes. 3. Heart health. ADF may reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure, which lowers heart disease risk. 4. Cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, the body's process of cleaning out damaged cells, which may support longevity. 5. Mental clarity. Some people report improved focus and energy during fasting days once their bodies adapt. Potential risks and downsides. 1. Hunger and fatigue. The first couple of weeks can be challenging, with hunger, irritability, or low energy. 2. Overeating on feast days, which can cancel out benefits. 3. Nutritional deficiency. If not planned well, you might miss out on essential vitamins and minerals. 4. Not for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, people with eating disorders, or those with certain medical conditions should avoid ADF unless supervised by a doctor. How to start alternate day fasting. 1. Begin with intermittent fasting. Try 16-8 fasting, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating, for a few weeks to adapt. 2. Choose your style. Strict zero-calorie fasts or modified 500-calorie fasts. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or black coffee on fasting days. 4. Eat nutrient-dense foods. On eating days, focus on lean proteins, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains. 5. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, excessively fatigued, or unwell, stop and reassess. Bottom line, alternate day fasting can be an effective weight loss and health-boosting strategy for some people, but it's not a magic fix. Success depends on consistency, balanced nutrition, and finding a version you can sustain.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.